जय श्रीमन्नारायण। श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता 10th chapter विभूति विस्तर योगमु 2nd श्लोक। गीताचार्य श्री कृष्ण परमात्मा giving his teachings to each and every one of us, including Arjuna. Krishna Paramatma saying that, Arjuna, even Devatas, Maharshis also doesn't know about my origin, about my great power, because I am the source of all those Devatas and Maharshis. In every respect, I am the source of those Devatas and Maharshis. Like that, Sri Krishna Paramatma declaring that nobody can explain us the greatness of Paramatma. Having Krishna Paramatma's teachings running in our thoughts, now let us repeat Sri Krishna Paramatma's words as it is. Name vidussuraganaha prabhavam na maharshayah ahamadirhi devanam maharshinancha sarvasaha. Om. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if you do these 8 things, you will become my most beloved devotee and I shall liberate you from all kind of sins. Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on meditating upon you. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing my prescribed duties as your service. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall not cry anymore. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantam apeta krutyam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravo vineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयम् उदीरयेत्. In Srimad Bhagavatam Tritiya Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra giving his teachings to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Maitreya teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Vidura, saying that, O Vidura, Chaturmukha Brahma now saying to Devatas like this, O Devatas, you are all my Manasa Putras. Manasa me Suta Yushmat Purvajaha Sanakadayaha. Even before you all born from me, Sanaka and other children came from me, but they were not having any kind of this mundane desires. They went to Sri Vaikuntham one day. Oh my dear Devatas, ta ekada bhagavato Vaikunthasya amalatmanaha. One day they went to Sri Vaikuntham, which is the Sriman-Narayana's place. And that place is the highest abode, Paramapadasthanam. Sarvaloka namaskrutam. All the worlds will be doing namaskaram to that lokam. Vasanti yatra purushaha sarve Vaikuntha murtayaha. In Vaikuntham, everybody looks like Bhagavan. And without having any kind of other desires, they all will be Aradhayan Harim. They all will be worshipping Sakshat Sriman Narayana. And Sriman Narayana will be enjoying along with all these devotees. And devotees also will be having Brahmanandam. Oh my dear Devatas, in Sri Vaikuntham there is one park, one vanam is there, which is known as Nishreyasam. In that vanam, even the trees will be fulfilling desires of devotees. That entire Sri Vaikuntham will be glowing. Oh my dear Devatas, all the Devatas in Sri Vaikuntham along with their spouses Sasvat Gayanti, they all will be singing Paramatma's divine stories. And everywhere that entire lokam is filled up with divine beautiful fragrances. And Devatas, because they are involved and completely drowned in Nama Sankirtanam, for them Nama Sankirtanam is the most sweetest one. That is why no other fragrances could distract Devatas from their Nama Sankirtanam. Oh my dear Devatas, there not only Devatas in that Sri Vaikuntham, all kind of birds also will be singing the glory of Paramatma and will be engaged in Nama Sankirtanam. Like that, Chaturmukha Brahma explaining the greatness of Sri Vaikuntham to Devatas. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarashatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam कृष्णस्य दासोऽस्म्यहं कृष्णे तिष्ठति विश्वमेतदखिलं हे कृष्णा संरक्ष माम्। श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता 10th chapter 2nd श्लोक। न मे विदुःसुरगणाः प्रभवं न महर्षयः अहमादिर्हि देवानां महर्षीणां च सर्वसः। न मे विदुःसुरगणाः प्रभवं न महर्षयः अहमादिर्हि देवानां महर्षीणां च सर्वसः। श्रीमन्नारायण करिष्ये वचनं तव। सर्वं श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु। जय श्रीमन्नारायण।